have a better understanding of what people expect of me in the workforce.
Get a better understanding of what it would be like working as a woman in STEM careers.
Getting the best out of myself.
I was lost about my career path ahead.
Improve upon myself and be the best me that I could be.
To step outside my comfort zone.
I wanted to develop my confidence.
I want to make myself become much more employable.
I feel like I really struggled with confidence.
I would really like to get into any kind of humanitarian aid or disaster relief.
To work in humanitarian engineering and create sustainable and appropriate solutions to real-world issues faced in developing countries.
I actually landed my dream job whilst being a part of the WiSC program, and so I'm going to be starting as a water engineer once I complete my degree at the end of the year.
Understand my strengths, my weaknesses, and overall wanted to know myself deeper and better.
Help build my self-confidence by assisting me in identifying and strengthening my unique talents.
Yeah, I feel motivated and empowered, and I can, it's really a chance to see myself, my ability in,
Yeah, that's true, because there's so many inspiring women that came, and I just felt very motivated and also hopeful that in the future I can be part of the workforce and follow their steps as well, listen to their advice.
It has helped me to gain confidence. It has helped me to get an insight about what the industry expects their future employees to be like.
I think I definitely learnt a lot about what drives me as a person. I didn't think I realised how deeply ingrained my need to help people was. I hadn't sort of thought about that much, and now that's, I think, going to be a driving force in future career decisions that I make.
I didn't expect to meet so many different women in such diverse careers, and having opportunities like this to see what's out there was really valuable.
By learning who we are as people, we can be a lot better by the time we get into the workforce.
As a result of this program, I now do feel more confident in my abilities and am more aware that I should be more confident in my abilities, that I am no different from anyone else.
You are missing out if you don't sign up.